I know you have a lot of background on working with children, working with different topics and social work with children.
Mm-hmm.
Can you tell us a little bit about your past work and how it influences your approach with the clients today?
Sure. Yeah, I mean, I see the impact of that probably on almost all of my clients, whether that's what they're there for or not. So I did work in foster care and adoptions for about 9 years. In lots of realms of that. Like I have been a foster parent myself. I have worked with like birth moms. I've worked with families adopting internationally. I have worked, with foster families who are adopting from the foster care system, that kind of thing. And I used to teach adoptive parenting classes. And a lot of that was focused around parenting in a different style based on trauma that children have experienced. And so, a lot of that has to do with how attachments are formed. It's, a lot of sensory stuff comes up in that, just impact of loss and separation on children, and the impact trauma has on childhood and bonding and relationships, and kind of how to help heal kiddos in that way. I find that knowledge is super helpful now because I work mostly with adults, and it's like using that kind of framework and knowledge from my past experience to see how it now shows up when you're an adult, and how that's formed your behavior and the way you attach to people and how you function in relationships, and all of those things. I guess they're very complex, but it's definitely helpful for me to understand people better, just in general, I think. And lots of my clients have experienced trauma, so that part is helpful too.